Yo, Snail Shell, are you excited for the finale? What happened?
I don't know. You notice how Squirtle's been kind of weird lately?
Now that you mention it, it does seem a little weird.
Like, am I the only one that sees that he's turning purple?
Since it's finale day, I brought every single recommended character back. These two contestants have fought hard and dear for about 7 episodes, and it's finally their time to shine. South Park DVD, you have won Objects Out There. Wow, recommended character winning the show. Who would have guessed? Wait, Squirtle, what's the prize for even winning Objects Out There? It's a button. If you click it, it'll be worth it. What do you mean it'll be worth it? Worth what? Why are you purple?